Okay man, it's time to fuck girls. It's time to do from approach to sex. In Ukraine, in Odessa. I have 4 spots for men who wanna learn from approach to sex, same-day bang system. And you turn it on, yes?
Yes.
Turn it on?
Yes, you can.
Ah. I proudly invite you to this training. So check the details. Let's see a date when it will begin. See what time, what you will get. See what the training will be about, where you will live, and contact with me. Go to alphamantraining.com, contact and write me. Never afraid. Go to those training.